week I will be trying to understand my method to you. First, what you do. This method is for YouTube earning. How we increase YouTube earning today. I will be teach you in this tutorial complete A to Z how we work on this method. A to Z today I'm teaching you. You just follow the same step. Please don't forget any steps. You follow the same steps. But my English is weak. But I will be trying to convey my message to you. When you have any issue on the during these points, but you just knock me, I will be complete take you more. But you need monetized channel. I think you have already monetized channel. You need one monetized channel and one this method and one device like a mobile computer, a laptop, any one device. This method I'm teaching you only for one device, but you use this method same this method in many devices like a one device, two device, five device, 10 device, more than 20 device. You can use this method on the same time, no problem. But you use this method on the same this method follow the same steps in computer also, laptop also, but you will be use this method any device. This now I am recording in a mobile, but sometimes you use mobile, and now I'm showing you this method. You just follow the same steps. This is the update method. This is paid VPN method, but update method. Now I'm showing you how we work. Before the work I show my some more courses like this. I have many more courses like this course also available. This method, 3 views, $1. You will be earn $1 only 3 views. How we earn $1 only from 3 views? You will be 100 views and you will be easily earn $30 plus. I have this method also. This method is paid method, not free method. And YouTube subscriber increasing method is also available. This method how we increase YouTube subscriber, this method is also available, but paid method, not free method. And this method is also available. YouTube videos viral method, how we viral my YouTube videos, any type videos, any content. No need like a tag any other content. No, you have any video, you will be easily viral from this method. And I have one more method like a YouTube views method, how we increase the YouTube views, specific views, we need 10,000 views on my channels, on my all videos, but I need just 10,000 views. I've just for example, you will be increase your views for in millions, not only 10k views. This is a manually work, this work, but you will be work like I need 10 views in today, but you start this method and you will be easily increase your 10k views, 10,000 views in some time, in very specific like a 2 to 3 hours. You will be increase your 10k plus views like a 20. You need 20k views, you will be easily increase, but you need sometime 100k, 1 million views, but 1 million views need sometimes like you need 4 to 5 days to 10 days. Like I think will be some more days you will be achieve your 1 million views from this method. But videos viral method is also videos viral method is a very best method. You can easily viral your videos, any videos, not only one videos. You will be viral your all videos from this method. And this method is also available. YouTube watching time increasing method, you can easily I will be give you two method in watching time. One method, you will be one computer, you can easily complete your watching time in 15 days, 4,000 hours watching time in one device, one computer. But sometimes you have two device, two computer, but you can easily complete your 4,000 hours watching time in 10 days. But one other method in watching time, this method is also two watching time. One method like a 20 15 days you complete your watching time. But one another method, you can easily complete your watching time in 2 to 3 days. You can easily complete your watching time in 3 days. This method is also available in this method, in this course. But this course is also available. This method price is $15. This one, look at this one method price is $15. This method price is also $30. Not this method price is $30, but this video's viral method price is $25. This views increasing method price is $15, but watching time method price is also $20. But sometimes you need, this is a fixed price, is no any like a discount anymore. No bro, this is also this price is also high for when anyone will be buy this method without any earning, or like this method first time client come me, I will be give you this method only for $30+. But this discount is only for those who already buy this method, earning method. But this is fixed prices. But sometimes you need two method, like a YouTube watching time method and views method, but I will be some discount with this during this. And also you need this all method, I will be discount to you very more discount, brother. But now I'm coming to how we increase my earning, how we work. This is the update method. You just follow the same step, please. I ask you, you just follow the same steps. Don't do any like any, you will be steps from your own